Okay, I've just given up on the last video. I was gonna pick all three of these Kinzo locks, high quality, reliable tools, it says of them, and it's for a company out the Netherlands, made in the People's Republic of China. And I was gonna pick all three of them, but as you can see, I completely destroyed the core. They look like brass, but they're not brass. It's some kind of cheap cast metal. And even where is it? There's a wiper. Even with just a thin wiper insert, I've broken the core. So I thought, right, we'll see if we can pick the biggest one. The biggest one is a 40mm padlock. It looks like the shackle is a bit thinner, but it looks like an Abus 40 or something. So let's see if we can pick this without breaking this. There's no room to work with. Where's the other? I've got another. Like that. Wiper insert, and there you go. It's just the edge to hold it there. Just the edge to hold it there, so we can actually get our picking tools in. Oh, there we go. Yep. We've opened it already. I think we just touched pin 3. How many pins? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 4-pinner. Okay, and let's see if we can do it again. Get our wiper insert. What is this? It's number 29. Number 29 from the Chrome Navigator. There we go. We did again. So okay, yeah. I'll see if I can rake this on quickly, because I don't want it to become too much of a long video. See if I'll find a city rake. No, I don't know where a city rake is now. I have some there. I have Bogota, but let's see. Let's see if I can use this one. It's kind of a wave break. I don't know what you'd call it. What? It's because I put it back in the rack. That's why I can't find my city rake. Oh, knocking the camera. Oh, this is embarrassing again. It's not going to open. Oh god, I'm pulling the core out with the rake. That. These are so high. Kinzo, so this is, I'm going to skew my boat in none of these. I'm going to get a boat and then skew it with a Kinzo. Ah, god damn you, Kinzo. Yeah, well, no, I think it's broken. Yeah, so I think it's broken. That's why it doesn't open. But yeah, so Here we go, for €3 you can get 3 of these Kinzo locks. Our friends in the Netherlands buy them from the People's Republic of China. So yeah, hope you had a nice time. I'll see you in the next video.